Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to sunny Weymouth. Yes, the sun has come out. It has literally just come out. I'm round at the garden. I thought I'd just pop round. I needed these. I'll have to clean them up a bit before I use them. To fit my washing machine pipe in through the cabinets. So I had to pop down because they were here. I'm just going to give you a quick look round. It's not warm, it's windy. Look at these weeds. Oh my goodness gracious me. There's going to be a lot to do when I do come back properly. Right, weeds are growing through here. I wanted to keep on top of them. I knew because of the gravel that I got, and it had soil in with it, that I would get some weeds. But when they were little, I'd just sit down here and pull them out. The soil would come to the top, and then I would water to get the stones to go back down again. So that, as you can see, that is not going to take much to do when I do come back. This is all I do, and then I'll either water on top of that or the rain will take it away. There's quite a few weeds here. I hate this stuff. I really hate it. So that is my white currant bush. I'm hoping this year I get a lot of currants off of them because I've only just learnt that I like them. I'm gonna have to, still got some raspberries on here, not edible ones obviously. Yeah, so I'll have to come down here and cut all these raspberry canes down. Then the gooseberries. Basically it just needs a massive clear up. Still haven't decided what I'm going to do with that bit yet. This bit here I covered up, do you remember? And the cardboard's rotting now. Here is my garlic. I've just started weeding these. So I'm going to sit here and just do that for a short while. Onions. So I need to weed them as well. This is the little bits of garlic that I had. You can see them popping up everywhere. You know, the tiny little blobby things on the side of like elephant garlic, and the tiny little bulbs of any garlic that I couldn't, you know, they're too small to use. So nothing in there. Shut up, seagull, I'm talking. Oh my goodness gracious me. Some of my cabbages, they just need again, like I said, all dragging out a good weeding. This was another bed that I was doing like the one down there with the garlic in. I haven't planted anything in these, so this is work in progress. Let's go down here. My strawberries are doing well. They're all ready for next year. And remember I started doing this. What I'm going to do is, I've got millions of strawberries here. Millions of them. And the bigger ones, sorry for sniffing. The bigger ones I'm going to put in, oh gosh, big pots. Like these, and put them all up here, and then I can move them around. I'm going to have lots and lots of strawberries this year. Lots and lots. Right. What's going on up here? As you know, my polytunnel blew down. So I've just laid it here to rest. Hopefully it's going to be alright. If not, I'll just get some more, you know, like polythene stuff and makeup. I'll buy some of that really thick, strong polythene. A little bit of a rip there, look. So, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. We'll get that sorted. Bit of a mess, isn't it? Bit of a mess. More strawberries. I'm going to sell all these. More strawberries up there to sort out as well. This. I don't know. We'll be fine. We'll get there. Oh, look. My mint's coming back. I might take some of that today and put it in my Christmas potatoes. I've harvested all my potatoes and I've got them at home. All the little ones I've boiled. I'm going to make them into some kind of meal and put it in the freezer. This grass isn't looking that good, is it? I might have to get some different seed. Yeah, well, we'll see. Right, in the greenhouse. See, this year this hasn't died back. I say every year that it dies back, and I've never seen it die back before. But this year it hasn't. Maybe because it isn't cold enough. I don't know. Right, oh, it's terrible in here. It really is. I managed to get myself a little pond. I'm going to do the same here as what I did there. So I've got that big thick tubing with holes in, and then I'm going to put something over the top, not sure what, but then I'm going to get that big piece of capillary mat in and then put compost over the top. This is, you know, I'm getting lots of moss growing, but that doesn't matter because when something's planted in there, I can just go over it with my hand like that. I haven't got round to doing all this. I'm waiting till springtime. This, I pulled all my potatoes up. I dug all my other potatoes that I've got, so I've got them at home. You just start again, don't you, every year. I mean, I've got different things, ouch, that I want to do. You know, I've still got my new bungalow that I'm sorting through as well, trying to get sorted out. I've still got my Percy cats. They are awesome. Colin and Callie. They are absolutely awesome. Yes, there's like 2 or 3 strawberry plants in each one. They've got no bottoms on. That's the ones that I dug out of there. Remember, they didn't have any bottoms to them. So I will, in springtime, I'll come down and do these. And like I said, they will be to sell. All of them. I'll tidy them up. And I will sell them all. Give myself a bit of money. That's the tubing that I'm going to put in the greenhouse there to make the wicking system. So yes, I can't believe I've actually got down here today, but like I said, I needed this for the washing machine, because I have to put the pipe at the moment into the sink, like you had to do years ago, you know, with your twin tub. And I keep forgetting I turned the washing machine on and a little bit of water comes out and goes on the floor, so don't want to go ruining the floor, do I? I got a helper round at the allotment, and So what I was going to do is, I've got a couple of trees from around there that I want to bring round and put here. And eventually I was going to give the allotment up. I still need to find somebody, because she's gone now. She thought it'd be a bit too much for her. So I'd like to get a family in, because I don't want somebody just coming in for a couple of months and then going. I want somebody to keep it. If I give it up as it is, the whole lot of the allotmenteers on the site already will just go and wreck everything. They'll take what they want. And I don't want that happening. I'd put a lot of work into it. So I want to try and get somebody on there that I can pass it on to them, maybe next year or the year after. So we'll see what happens there. I'll still keep looking. Yeah, I just want to keep this on because I can do my plants still and try and make a bit of money. And I don't have to pay for this. I get free running water. I can use a hose pipe. Down there I can't. So there's lots of pluses for this than what there is pluses for down there. There's a lot more pluses here. So, right, I'm going to get on. Oh, they're not buried very deep. What happened there? I don't know. But that's when I'm keeping myself anyway. I put that label in because I just threw loads of daffodils in there. Loads of them. Oops, sorry. That one. These are pots of tete-a-tetes, whatever, them little daffs. Right, I'm going to get on with me weeding. I'm going to be here for not long. It is a bit chilly. I will try and get that bed done. I'm going to try. So, weather permitting. So, yes, from now, the sun's gone in and it's very cloudy. So, from cloudy Weymouth, I'm going to bid you all a goodbye, a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. See you all next year. Bye.